Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into Toncoin, TON, one of the most discussed cryptocurrencies in the market. We'll cover its current market status, price movements, and predictions for 2025. Stay tuned until the end for our expert analysis. Right now, Toncoin is trading at $3.74. Over the past 90 days, it has dropped by 31%, and over the past year, it's down 33%. Despite this, Toncoin remains a strong project, with a market cap of $9 billion and a total supply of 5 billion TON tokens. Toncoin is ranked hashtag 17 on CoinMarketCap and is listed on Binance, which adds to its credibility and adoption. The all-time high for Toncoin was $8.20, meaning the current price is still more than 50% below its peak, presenting a potential opportunity for long-term holders. In the short term, if the market gains momentum, TON could reach $5 to $6. In the midterm, if adoption continues, we could see $7 to $9. In the long term, analysts predict that Toncoin could surpass its all-time high and potentially reach $10 to $12, depending on market trends and investor sentiment. Toncoin is currently in a dip, making it an interesting opportunity for long-term investors. With a potential bull run ahead, this coin could see significant price growth. However, as always, invest at your own risk and conduct thorough research before making any decisions. That's it for today's Toncoin update. If you found this video helpful, like this video and subscribe to our channel for more crypto insights. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.